Today is Wednesday, January 24, 2024. The futures have been pushing higher all night or most of the night, and currently the pre-market at 9:13 a.m. Eastern is at 487.53. There are quite a bit of levels on the board this morning. The awareness would be that if the spiders fall, that if they fall through several of these levels and you're going long at each of these levels, then it'd be good just to be prudent, take partial position sizes. But these are pretty precise levels, and we will see how any trades taken at these levels in the E-minis played out at the end of the trading day. Today was another good day, 4 trades and 4 base hits. We'll take a closer look after I adjust the chart and look at the exact operating levels that triggered the trades. But first, I want you to just look at these levels that were on this chart before the market opened and ask yourself if you think there is something to these levels. Consider that when the market opened, they were at all-time highs in uncharted territory. So deriving these levels isn't just a function of where the market has been in the past. These were new levels up here in the current stratosphere, beyond where the S&P 500 has ever been. More specifically, these top levels, these are the exact ones the spiders hit, and these are the ones that gave us trades today, more than a handful of points. So let's dive in. After 9:45 a.m., the spiders were right here. The close of the 9:45 a.m. candle was 487.37. So the spiders' first orders were in a system to go short at this level, so to go long at this level, to go to short at this level. But the spiders first came down into this level at 487.12, and that triggered a trade when they hit this level. They hung out here for a while, and then they came lower into the next level. And I mentioned this morning to be aware of drops into multiple levels. So the first trade up here was still active when the spiders came down and hit 486.45, and that triggered another long trade, adding to the position. Good support was found here. The spiders shot back up. A base hit on the combined position was in the bag at this point. Then the spiders continued higher into the next level on the board, and when they hit the operating level at 488.15, that activated a short trade. As designed, they fell away from this area, and this was the third base hit of the day. Keep in mind, it's barely 11 a.m. at this point, and all these levels that have been hit so far were out of consideration for future trades of the day, so I'll just make them dotted so it's just clear about the status of these levels. So finally, after bouncing around and playing with these levels, respecting them in several ways or another, it's just interesting to see how the market considered these levels important, isn't it? They got down finally to this 485.77 level at around quarter after 3 p.m. and it's still a valid time to enter a trade. So this was another long trade entered the moment the spiders hit the operating level, and it did not take them very long to bounce back up and find support, and that was the fourth base hit of the day. So at this point, it's too late to enter any other trades, but I just want to point out something. See the low here in this 355 candle? It was only 5 cents short of the trigger point if this still were an active trade waiting in the system. So I'm pointing this out because the bounce from this area was more than enough for a base hit. So case in point, the levels are important. So 4 base hits without any drama. Another good day. Not really a lot more to say. Here's the data entered into the tracking log for today's trades. You can take a look around at the current averages. I'm looking forward to seeing how this week ends. It's been a pretty good day so far, or a pretty good week so far. If you find these daily recap videos helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Click the bell so you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Thanks, and have a great day.